One more example in closed plane figures they have given is square. Now here square is having 4 sides or 4 line segments and 4 corners. See here 4 corners, or we can call it as 4 angles or vertex. All these 4 sides are equal. All these 4 sides are equal. And we call it as square ABCD. And sides we can call it as AB, BC, CD, DA. Angles we can call it as angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Or we can call it as angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA. Now coming to the one more example they have given here is rectangle. See, this rectangle is having 4 sides or 4 line segments, 4 corners. Even rectangle is also having 4 corners. Or we can call it as 4 angles or 4 vertex. Opposite sides are equal. See here, opposite sides are equal. Named by 4 capital letters like MNOP. Rectangle MNOP. Now sides we can call it as MNNOPOMP. Now MN is equal to PO because opposite sides are equal. Now MP is equal to NO. Angles we can call it as angle P, angle M, angle N, angle O. Or in another form also we can call like angle MPO. This is an angle, right? Here angle is there. Angle M, angle P, angle O, angle N we call. Or in another way we are calling it as angle MPO, angle MNO, angle PON, angle PMN. The length of the outer boundary of a square, here see the square, outer boundary we call this. Square, rectangle here outer boundary of the rectangle, or outer boundary of a triangle here. See this we call it as outer boundary. We call it as perimeter. The length of the outer boundary of a square, rectangle, triangle is called perimeter. Now come to the circle. Circles have no line segments and no corners, no angles. It has only a center. The outer curved line, this is the outer curved line, is called circumference. This is the center and this we call it as circumference. The length of the outer boundary of a circle is called circumference. Now move to the next page. Now we shall find here the perimeter, finding the perimeter. Let us observe and learn. The perimeter of the square ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here they have given the measurements as 6 centimeters. That means square what we have, all the 4 sides are equal. Right? Now we can add this as the measurement given 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? The answer will be 24 centimeters. If we add all these 4 sides, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24 centimeters. Likewise for the triangle and likewise for the rectangle also they have added. Now you have to do on your own this page number 87. Now come to page number 88. Here they have given a question for you in EBIT. If your rectangular garden has length 80 meters and breadth 30 meters, what would be its perimeter? You know that rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Right? So here they have given length as 80 meters and breadth as 30 meters. So 80 into 2, or we can add as 80 plus 80 is equal to how much? 160. 8 twos are 16, or 80 into 2 is equal to how much? 160. Likewise, now we are going to multiply or add the breadth. Breadth is here how much they have given? 30 meters. Right? So 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. Now if we add all together 160 plus 60, it is 220 meters. That means the rectangular of a garden length and breadth of outers, that means its perimeter is 220 meters. Got it, children? Now you do F bit and second and third bits on your own. Okay. Now move to the page number 89. Here fourth question, they have given name the angles formed in the given figure. Now here see, they have given a triangle and they have given the names as PQR. Now in mathematical version, how we call this? We can't say PQR. We have to say they have a names like angle P, angle Q, angle R, or else we have to call it as angle PQR, angle PRQ, angle QRP. Okay, so rest of the sums you do B bit and C bit you do, and even here fifth bit also. Find the perimeter of this square, rectangle and this box. You do A, B, C bits on your own. Now we shall see the patterns. Shapes or figures that are arranged in definite order, repeated over and over again, make a geometrical pattern. Now we shall observe and continue the following patterns. See here, children. Here they have drawn a line like from down to up. Again they brought it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you draw on your own, like see, down, up, down, up. Likewise, you do the B bit. See here they have drawn sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Likewise, see here I have drawn the lines extending with sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Now, rest of the sums you do it on your own. Observe and complete the given patterns by drawing two more. So you draw it, A bit and B bit, and the same wise even third bit also you can do it on your own. Complete the table by observing the given patterns. Thank you, children. Take care. Stay safe.